So as we make our way down Favo Street, we look up here. The top two levels are Square Peg Venture Capital, uh, founded by Paul Bassett, the founder of Seek, the employment website. And they've gone on to make some really amazing investments globally. But actually, I really appreciate the way they've taken a view and really invested in the region as well. So they've got an office in Singapore, a deep connection in Israel as well. And that interconnectedness between, it's not just about us and a focus towards the west coast of the US. How do we be a player globally, and thinking about some of the investment opportunities that happen around us? If we look over the back of Square Peg, just in the next block is Blackbird Venture Capital. Australia's preeminent investors. They've written first checks for almost all the businesses we've talked about today. So, Nikki and Rick have really shown the way in catalyzing Australia ecosystem. And there's a really amazing stat that comes out of some of the data that Airtree have brought together. You think in the years 1990 to 2000, there were 9 technology companies that got to a valuation of $100 million. In the years 2020 to 2024, there were 125. Really is a really great measure for the change in our ecosystem, the scale at which we now operate, and the quotient of talent that's available here that underpins those businesses. And then another anchor of those unicorns in our neighborhood, we look up here and we can just see 300 Elizabeth Street through the trees, is a company called Rokt. Not a business that many Australians know well. Rokt was founded by Bruce Buchanan. Bruce was the first CEO of Jetstar. Now, if there's something you understand,
You would master.
we love it. So, Rokt was founded by Bruce Buchanan. Bruce was the first CEO of Jetstar. Now, if you're the CEO of a low-cost airline, there's one thing that you understand well. It's about how to make revenues after the initial sale. Because you make very little money selling the base airfare, but it's all the add-ons, the extra space, the meals, the hotels, the insurance, the car hire, everything else. So Bruce took that understanding and concept and built a marketing technology platform that brought that kind of approach to almost any other kind of online transaction. So when you go and buy a ticket from Ticketmaster today, Rokt will serve you an array of products that may fit with your needs to go immediately after that initial sale. They're now a multi-billion-dollar company headquartered in New York, because if you're going to do marketing tech, Sydney's not the place to have that as your headquarters, but all their dev is here. And because it's about the talent, it's about the capability. And so we've got one more stop to make at the Scale Up Hub, and that'll bring us to a close today.